everyone, hope you are doing well. So I'm in the park, just had lunch and waiting for the car to be, brakes to be sorted. So yeah, not too bad. It's a nice little park here. Welcome to the next day. I'm with Mappy. We went for a walk as he had the day off. So as you can see, we are in a lovely nature reserve, and we came here for a walk, and then we went swimming in the afternoon, which was so good. And it's just been a amazing couple of days. Really nice heat, not too hot, not too cold, and just really nice. So as we are recording this, I just wanted to say that thank you very much for all of you who subscribe to the channel. It's amazing. Thank you very much.